Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to transform a plain tote bag into a customized one using a handy iron. First thing first, we need to choose our design. For this tutorial, I've selected this lovely pattern. Ensure you cut out your sticker by leaving a few borders behind. Remember, always make sure your iron is set to the right temperature before starting. After you place your sticker on the tote bag, you place a thin fabric over it. Once that's set, it's time to place the pattern on the tote bag. Be careful not to burn the tote bag by holding the iron for too long. Just a few seconds should do the trick. When you place the iron too long for the tote bag, you could either burn the fabric or transfer colors onto the tote bag. Make sure you check your progress regularly and ensure your tote bag is cool before peeling off. And there you have it, a brand new customized look for a tote bag. Voila! I absolutely love how it turned out. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, bye!